expanding your lexicon, mastering synonyms and antonyms with combined affixes. Hello, language learners! Today we'll embark on an exciting linguistic adventure as we dive into the fascinating world of English prefixes and suffixes. We're not just going to learn about them in isolation. No, we're going to learn how to use them to identify synonyms and antonyms. This knowledge will help to vastly expand your English vocabulary and comprehension. So, are you ready? Let's get started. First off, let's briefly remind ourselves what prefixes and suffixes are. Prefixes are added to the beginning of a base word or root word to change its meaning, while suffixes are added to the end of a base or root word for the same purpose. Some common examples of prefixes include un, dis, re, and pre, and examples of suffixes include full, less, ing, and ed. Here's where the fun begins. Let's take a base word, for example, happy. If we add the suffix ness, we get happiness, which is a noun form of the adjective happy. If we look for a synonym for happiness, we might find joy. Notice that joy and happiness have the same base meaning but are formed differently. Happiness uses a base word plus a suffix, while joy is a standalone word. Using our knowledge of affixes, we can generate a vast array of synonyms for many words. Antonyms, as you know, are words with opposite meanings. Affixes, particularly prefixes, are commonly used in English to create antonyms. For instance, the prefix un often generates antonyms. From happy, we get unhappy. From do, we get undo. From seen, we get unseen. Just by knowing some common prefixes, we can often guess the antonyms of many English words. It's like having a secret key to unlock the meanings of a vast number of words. Now that we've covered the basics, let's put our knowledge into practice. Take the word respect, for example. Can you think of synonyms that can be formed using different prefixes or suffixes? How about antonyms? Remember, the goal is not to memorize every single affix and word but to understand the concept and apply it. Practicing this will strengthen your language skills and improve your fluency. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of how prefixes and suffixes can help you identify synonyms and antonyms. We've learned that these affixes can not only change the meaning of words but also help us understand their relationships. Remember, language learning is a journey. So keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Until next time, happy learning!